Waxpol High Performance Glass Cleaner is a powerful yet harmless cleaner that makes glass look as good as invisible. Use on a cool glass surface. Twist for spray or stream. Spray and wipe quickly before it dries. Work in small sections. It leaves no oil, residue or streak. It also clears wax overspray. Waxpol High Performance Glass Cleaner is a de-icer, kills 100% germs and easily removes wax overspray, vinyl residue, bird dropping, bug spatter and all kinds of tough dirt and prevents rain, bug and grime from sticking to glass. Can be used on cars, bikes, TV screens, decorative glass panels, tabletops, spectacles and tinted windows for a crystal clear shine.